Cap 26 here, just two accessories and hobbies. And we're going to put this, a little goop on these threads. We're not going to use Loctite. This is plastic. This is a silicone. So it'll come off better if you ever want to take it off instead of using something from metal. So we're going to do that next. Okay, so we put a little bit on the threads and we're just screwing it in. And whatever seeps out, we'll just wipe off. I'm going to tighten it with the little bars. So you just put the Allen wrench on there. Just give it a little snugness with that. Pull the pins out. And that way your moderator won't come off when you undo it after you shoot with that. So let that dry overnight. And that should be good. So that's the tip I want to show you. You could do this procedure. You can leave it alone and not do it. I don't suggest using Loctite at all on this or any super glues. But the goop will work pretty good on it. You'll be able to unthread it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.